That's the biggest I've got, and it's perfect. But if I didn't have the right size and I had one a bit smaller, like that one, I could have just drilled my hole and then kept it there and gone round and round and made it bigger, made a bigger circle. But I've got the right size, so woohoo! A good rule of thumb, DIYs, is have the sucker unplugged when you change a blade or change this. If it accidentally turned on, you won't lose a finger or anything, but it'll hurt like hell. When you're cutting a hole, DIYs, always start on an angle. If I went flat down, it would grab and shoot off, and I'd mark my tile. So you start on an angle. See, it wants to kick. I haven't got a screwdriver here, but usually you tap it like that with something that you've got, and out it comes in the bucket. That'll be all right. We'll see you soon.